In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the paper style in OneNote. Whether you're looking to customize your notes for better readability or simply to match your personal style, OneNote offers several options to tailor your workspace. Let's dive in and see how to make these changes effortlessly. First things first, open OneNote on your computer. Once you're in, navigate to the specific section of your notebook where you want to change the paper style. Next, direct your attention to the ribbon at the top of the OneNote window and click on the View tab. This tab is your control center for modifying the visual aspects of your notebook pages. Within the View tab, you'll see an option labeled Rule Lines. This is where you can adjust the paper style to suit your needs. Click on the drop-down menu or the main button for Rule Lines, and you'll be presented with different types of lines to choose from, such as standard lined paper, grid lines, or even no lines at all. Select the one that best fits your preference or the task at hand. Now, if comfort is your priority, especially during long periods of working, you might want to consider changing the background color of your pages. Still on the View tab, find the Page Color button. Clicking this will reveal a palette of colors. Select the color that suits your style or helps reduce eye strain, particularly if you're working in low light conditions or following a specific theme. If you're someone who likes consistency and wants all new pages in a section to adopt the same lines and color, OneNote makes this easy too. Begin by going to the Insert tab on the ribbon. You'll find a button labeled Page Templates there. Click on it to open a sidebar where you can manage templates. At the very bottom of this sidebar, you'll see an option to save current page as a template. Click on this link to initiate the process. When prompted, enter a name for your new template. This name will help you identify it later if you decide to switch templates. Most importantly, ensure you check the box that reads Set as default template for new pages in the current section. This way, every new note you create in this section will automatically use your customized settings. Click Save, and you're done. By following these steps, you've now personalized your OneNote to better fit your needs, making your notes not only more aesthetically pleasing, but also more functional for your everyday use. With just a little bit of customization, you can create a working environment that's both comfortable and efficient. Thanks for joining me today, and happy note taking.